Bangalore. I rehearsed something. Chennagidira. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಯಿತು.
ಜಾನ್ವಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು
ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ
ನೋಡಿ
ನೋಡಿ
ನನಗೆ
ನನಗೆ
ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರ್ರಿ. ಅವರು ಪಾಪ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡನ. ನಮ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್, ಜಾನ್ವಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಜಾನ್ವಿ, 4th Peddi is releasing. So today we are here in Bangalore to promote Peddi version in Kannada. So tell us more about Bangalore connections.
I've spent a lot of time here. Firstly, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for giving us so much love. Please, on the 4th of June, when our film releases, come to the theaters like this because it's a very inspiring, special story. Thank you.
I know everybody wants to see Janvi, but can we also allow others to shoot? Can you clear the space, please? Thank you. Thank you. You're so beautiful. Everybody wants to see you up close. Okay, Janvi, Peddi is all about athlete, wrestling, cricket, everything. You know, people who really love sports. Our Elrugo E cinema will be a big inspiration. So what is sports in your life? Were you into any kind of sports in school? Andre school alli odbekare iವರು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಾ? Did you like any kind of sport when you were in school?
I learned a little bit of cricket for my movie Mr. and Mrs. Mahi.
Mr. and Mahi.
Yeah. So that's about it. That's the extent of sports. I sit on the sidelines and I cheer for Peddi. That's how sporting I am.
So you're a great cheerleader. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಆಲ್ ನೋ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡಕನ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೋತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಬಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡಕನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲರ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕೋತೀವಿ, ಕೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್ನ. ಬಟ್ ಜಾನ್ವಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಪೆದ್ದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೈಲಿಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದ ಗಾಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್?
That you have to ask Butchi sir only. That I had no contribution. He told me to do it and I did it. But now I do it in life also because it's very comfortable.
Did you like wearing it that way?
Yeah, I've started.
ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ಒಂದು 20 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ದೃಶ್ಯ ಶಿವಣ್ಣನ ಜೊತೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ತಂದ್ಕೊಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಜಾನ್ವಿ, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಶೇರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಶಿವಣ್ಣ?
You know, unfortunately, I only had one small scene with him. But in that small scene, I saw the power of him as an actor just through his eyes. And it was unbelievable. It's been a privilege to share even that one shot with him. And I hope in the future I get to work with you again soon, sir.
There's a famous dialogue which Shivanna has in one of the Kannada film. ನೀವು ಗನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೊಲ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಲ್ಲೋದು ಅವರೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇಟ್ ಸೇಸ್ through gun you can shoot many people, but with Shivanna's eyes, that's very dangerous than gun is a dialogue in the Kannada.
I saw the danger in his eyes.
Oh, ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ಕಣ್ಣು AK-47 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. That's lovely. ಅಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಚಿರಂಜೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವರು ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಐಕಾನಿಕ್ ಜೋಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರ ಅವರ ಕನಸುಗಳಾದಂತಹ ರಾಮ್ ಚರಣ್ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಜಾನ್ವಿ ಅವರು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡು ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್? ಯು ನೋ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಗೈನ್.
I think it's very cosmic, and of course I feel very proud. I hope when audiences see us together on the 4th of June, they feel satisfied. It's been an amazing process working with him. And yeah, it's one of the biggest takeaways that I've taken from this film is the fact that I got to share the screen with Ram sir.
Superb. And what is that best cuisine you like about Bangalore? We all want to know.
I love Rameshwaram Cafe. I love it. I love filter coffee and that Gadbad ice cream that they make at Rameshwaram.
Oh.
It's my favorite.
Do you know that it's right next to this hotel?
Yeah, I know, but I'm on a diet, unfortunately. So
Okay, that's a very good point. Janvi ಅವರು ಡಯಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗಿರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ, only for girls, could you please share your diet secret?
Diet secret. I'll tell you the best weight loss tip I can give you all. Try to do a song with Ram Charan sir. You will become skinny in half a day.
Sir, ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ even if we are a back dancer, then we'll lose weight, I'm sure. Next film, maybe we get a chance to dance
all
behind
of
him.
the dancers also, because we shoot for 4 days. By the 4th day, they are all looking smaller.
So that's the diet secret which Janvi shared with us. Ram Charan sir ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಸಾಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಲ್ ನಿಂತು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಫುಲ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಸಣ್ಣ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ we did see that kind of energy on that. Thank you so much for
Thank you
sharing
so
your
much.
thoughts,
Thank
Janvi.
you.
Thank you. Janvi, you want to